Hello guys, how are you doing? As you all know, I'm Uma Gacheni and I'm back with a bang. I'm sorry guys, I haven't been available, but now I'm here to give you Ndebele lessons each and every day. And our goal is still the same. By the end of the year, we all know Ndebele, we all know what you need to know. If there are some things that you need to know and I haven't been talking about them, you can ask in the comment section, then I can talk about that. So I know that we are in March, right? And I know that some of you don't even know what March is in Ndebele. Don't worry, Uma Gacheni, your Ndebele coach, is here to teach you the months of the year. Not only March, but you're going to know all the 12 months of the year in Ndebele. Okay, so I'm going to do from January to December. Okay, so January is called Zibandlela. February is Nhlolanja. March is Mbimbitho. April is Mabasa. May is Nkwenkwezi. June is Nhlangula. July is Ntulikazi. August is Ncwabakazi. September is Mpandula. October is Mfumfu. November is Lwezi. Then lastly, December is Mpalakazi. Okay, so I'm going to repeat only the Ndebele side, since you now know that it's from January to December. And please don't forget this. Don't forget this. Okay, so I'm going to start from January. So we have Zibandlela, Nhlolanja, Mbimbitho, Mabasa, Nkwenkwezi, Nhlangula, Ntulikazi, Ncwabakazi, Mpandula, Mfumfu, Lwazi, and Mpalakazi. Yes, you have to know all the 12 months in Ndebele because it's going to help you somewhere. Please, if you know that there is someone who wants to learn Ndebele and doesn't know about me, please tell them about me so that they come, follow, subscribe, share, comment for more. Thank you for watching this lesson. Don't forget to tell your family about me, your friends, everyone that needs to know Ndebele. They have to be on my page. Please subscribe, share, like for more. Thank you. Have a good day. And we are going to be having another lesson tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you.